Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making pineapple
upside down
pancakes. Let's get started.
Alright, to get these pancakes good and soft up, we're going to use pineapple chunks, honey butter, sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, light brown sugar, and I have cinnamon, nutmeg, honey, and any pancake mix you want. Ain't nothing wrong with that great value because we're about to sop it all the way up.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you are like us and you're using some pineapple chunks that are frozen, then you're going to need to put them in the microwave for about 5 minutes to let them defrost.
Because ours were like
more or
completely
less.
frozen.
But yeah. Meanwhile, while your pineapples are defrosting, you want to go ahead and make your pancake mix. This is just what I had left, so I just used what I had left. So when your pancake mix gets to about this texture, this consistency, then you want to stop. So now that our pineapples are nice and defrosted, we are now going to cut them into pineapple tidbits, which are the ones, that you get at school lunch, little bitty pineapples that you get. They give you like a teaspoon of. But anyways, yeah, they're gonna give you. We're gonna cut them into some tidbits. At first, they was about this size, but then I decided to half them again, as you'll see later on. And this process is pretty much self-explanatory. So yeah, this is me. Like I said, we went ahead and did them in smaller slices. So I'm gonna speed this up right quick. And you want to keep chopping your pineapples until they are done. I unfortunately didn't get to show you a picture. Use desired amount though. You ain't got to use the whole bag if you don't want to. Depends on how many you make, baby. But in a pot, you want to add 1 teaspoon of butter, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, and it's a little bit over, but ain't nothing wrong with a little bit more sugar. And you want to use 1/4 cup of honey, if that makes sense. And get it all out of there. Just 1/4 cup halfway. Yeah. Now you want to add like a pinch of cinnamon. Don't add too much. Don't add too much because you're going to be mad. It ain't going to taste right.
Right, this is not cinnamon rolls.
And then next, you want to add just a pinch of nutmeg. And yeah, you just want to stir that together. I forgot to put this on at the beginning, but you're just going to need 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And again, you just want to stir that together until it forms almost like a caramelly sauce. Yeah, it's going to look a lot like a caramel sauce. Yes. See, this is where you want it right here. It's so thick and luscious. It looks like caramel. After that, you want to add a dash of pineapple juice that came from the pineapples. Treat it like an extract. Don't add too much in there. And just stir that around. Oh, just stir that around and just admire. Ooh. Ooh. Praise God. Oh my gosh. Now this is kind of like the, secret ingredient. We add a little bit of pineapple juice to the pancake batter. Guys, I'm telling you, this makes a difference. After you have finished your glaze, now you want to add your delicious pineapples that were professionally cut by sis to the pot. Oh, thanks. If your pancake batter gets watery and it messes up and it looks like the picture I'm about to show you, just add more flour. Add more flour and it'll be just fine. Not that much, but just a little bit to thicken it back up. See, and this just shows that your first time will not always be perfect. It's okay to mess up. Just keep trying because it will get moist with the pineapples being in there. You just have to keep trying. All right, now to start the show, we're going to start making the pancakes. You start off by pouring your batter on there. I used 1/4 cup to keep them all even for the most part. Cook a long time on the other side with the pineapples so that the pineapples will stay secured. As long as you're on low heat, it will not burn. I promise you it won't burn. You don't want it too low, but you want it on like medium low, if that makes sense. But you got to cook it to keep the pineapple secured. So meanwhile, while the pancakes were cooking, I decided to make some whipped cream. Make sure your heavy cream is cold, and then you just want to cream it together. And then you want to add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. I mean, you don't have to add cinnamon, but I was just feeling it, for the holidays and stuff. And it gave it a really nice flavor, and you just want to whip it to stiff peaks. Oh my gosh! It's time for assembly! The best part. All right, get ready. This is like the best part.
Remember that honey butter?
Yep,
You wanna
it's that
go
Land O'Lakes
ahead,
honey butter.
rub it on there, smother it.
Yes.
All right, now to add on that glaze. Oh my gosh, this brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar, white sugar glaze is just, oh my gosh. It's like self-explanatory. I think this is like one of my favorite recipes, but look at that. That is amazing. But not least, top it off with that beautiful whipped cream.
Cinnamon whipped cream.
Cinnamon whipped cream, guys. This was just amazing.
And look at it now.
Just look at that. That's just amazing.
Okay, we gonna show.
And there it is, guys. Pineapple upside down pancakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.